Today we'll be reviewing our FN M249S case. It's designed to hold both the M249S as well as the M249S PARA. First we'll go over the layout and properties of the foam, then we'll talk about the features of the case. Out of the box, the case comes ready to fit the M249S PARA, and it can be inserted with the carry handle folded or unfolded. To the right, you have storage for a secondary stock. To accommodate the standard barrel, insert the barrel under the foam first before setting it in. When switching to the standard stock, use the included razor blade to cut the two perforations and remove the foam plug. Repeat the same when using the standard barrel. When storing the PARA barrel, reinsert the two foam plugs first so it can sit flush. To the right, make sure to collapse your PARA stock first before storing. The case has spots for your manual bolt lock device, 2 drum magazines, as well as 3 30-round magazines. If you don't have a secondary barrel, you can use the space to store 3 more 30-round magazines. At the top, there's perforations that can accommodate scopes up to 10 inches long. To the left, there's a spot for 1 full-size pistol up to 8 5/8 inches long, as well as 2 spots for single-stack magazines or double-stack magazines. The case also comes with 1 waterproof accessory box and 2 reusable silica gels, which absorb moisture in the case to help prevent gun rust. When the beads turn green, pop it in the oven for 3 hours at 250 degrees to reactivate it. The base and lid are made out of a non-abrasive military-grade polyethylene, which is known for its ability to absorb shock, and it's closed cell so it won't absorb liquid and you can easily wipe it away. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case completely waterproof. The case features a built-in lid stay, which keeps the lid upright while open. The lid overhangs the base to help protect the gasket seal. It has a built-in air pressure relief valve so you can open it at any altitude. It has 4 twist lock latches with positive feedback. It has 6 padlockable holes for added security. It has 2 foldable handles plus wheels for easy transport. In the back, there's 4 strong hinges and feet so the case can stand upright alone. And on top, there's grooves which make the case stackable if you have more than one. You can find this case and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe below and let us know in the comments if there's a case you'd like to see a video on next.